Welcome to our 6th NextCycle Michigan Showcase. There's no doubt everyone here is part of this larger shift for our future.
Because Michigan is making a difference.
I have seen the coolest innovations come through and actually make real change happen. Materials management does equal climate and economic impact. I can't wait. I can't wait to see what happens. I can't wait to hear these pitches. You are in for quite a treat this afternoon.
Picture yourself in Holland, Michigan, and you smell something musty. You know that resident wants to do the right thing. They're saving that mattress to do the right thing.
Education will be huge because many people in our community don't know how to recycle.
I told those two donors that I could take that laptop, repair it, and get it in the hand of a student who needs it. We're taking that device and putting it on its next cycle.
What we want to do is broaden out what's possible and add biochar to the compost. We want to collect food scraps, and we want to engage our community in more meaningful ways.
This represents all blue-collar Michigan communities, such as mine, that are in desperate need of help with recycling, in which our 24/7 recycling center is an ideal solution.
Over a decade ago, I wondered, what do you do with a battery when it's done?
So I would like to present to you Color Me Green, which is a mobile recycling program. So this is not a story of pity. This is a story of resilience.
So while I didn't really know what my pitch was going to be, I knew that the right people would be in the room.
For us as a company, it was a learning example that was just very valuable.
So these are reasons why I am super proud to be part of this community, helping be part of NextCycle and the work that we do.
These solutions help us create a more resilient future.